Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Sefildani. Seminar proposal title Unveiling the Impact of Journal Writing on EFL Teacher Professional Growth. Chapter 1 Introduction. Background of the problem. Journal writing is an important tool in teacher training to promote the learning of reflective practice. It also teaches to engaging information, relation, and communication, develop language fluency and proficiency, and promotes critical thinking. This program language English teaching applies in countries where the majority do not use English for daily communication but still study English as a profession for critical perspective, such as continuing their studies at a overseas university or who have good English language skill. Job requirement for obtaining scholarship, requirement for joining the international community. Next, identification of the problem. Based on the background of the problem above, the writing identify the problem is the impact of journal writing on EFL teacher professional growth. Focus on the study. The greater focus of the study is the impact of journal writing on EFL teacher professional growth. Next, the research question. How explore and document language teacher belief and perception of journal writing as a tool for improving their practice. And the last one, how changing their professional growth. Next, definition of the key term. Journal writing, also called journaling in simple words, is an informal way writing or a method of penning down emotions, experiences, thoughts, events. Next, professional growth is the application of new experiences and skill to positively impact your current position and career pursuits. Next, purpose of the study. Assessing proficient in communicating in English, assess the action through which students master English speaking skill despite having adequate lexical knowledge. Evaluation is teaching method. Evaluate the speaking teaching method that are currently used by teachers, especially in the of dialogue, oration, and motivation approaches. And the last one, identify the factor that cause students interest in learning English to decrease, especially due to the use of modern teaching strategy. Next, identification of key term. This research is effective to provide various benefits, but for related parts and in the context of developing English language education and Mandua Padang. Next, chapter 2, literature review. Journal writing. Journal writing is an important tool in the teacher training to promote the learning of relative practice. It allows teachers to engage in evaluation, free reflection, and communication, develop language fluency and proficiency, and promote critical thinking. Relative journal writing provides an opportunity for teachers to critically reflect on their thought, view, belief, and action, leading to professional growth and improvement in future behavior. Next, English Foreign Language (EFL). EFL is an abbreviation or English foreign language, which means English as a foreign language. This English foreign language teaching applies in countries where the majority do not use English for daily communication but still study English in preparation for career prospects, such as continuing their studies at foreign universities or who have good English language skill, job requirement for the scope, requirement for joining international community. Next, teacher professional growth. Strategies used by program language teacher, EFL teacher in vocational high school at the main key the success in becoming professional teacher in terms of mastering teaching material and increasing English language competence for special purpose ESP in their department. Professional development is a long cooperative learning process that fosters the development of educator both individually and as team member. Next, chapter 3, research method, design of the research. The study employed a case study design in order to explore in-service teacher perspective of an experiences with journal writing and its perceived impact on teaching and professional development. Next, participant of the research. The participant in this study comprised for female English language teacher employed at a language institute at a university in Saudi Arabia (ELE). The purposive snowballing sampling approach was used to identify and recruit participants in the study based on their ability and willingness to as journal writing as a reflective participant practice to enhance their teaching and professional development. Next, instrument of the research. The main instrument used in this study were relative journal writing and subsequent focus group interviews. Journal study, also known as diary studies, provide introspective account of language research. These instruments were chosen to offer the research participant a bottom-up approach to documenting their perception and experiences using journal writing. Next, technique of data analysis. The analysis technique used in the research is thematically technique. Thematical analysis is one way to analyze data with the aim of identifying patterns and finding trend talk data that has been collected by researchers. Okay, thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.